Where can you get polymer clay? Polymer clay is available from many online retailers, and I'll put some links in the description, including some Amazon affiliate links. A small portion of anything purchased through those links will be paid to the channel without any extra cost to you. But I want to focus on buying it from retail stores. Many arts and crafts stores will carry a selection of polymer clay, often including their store brand versions of polymer clay. Michaels has Craftsmart, Hobby Lobby has Crafter's Collection. Buyer beware, the quality of these cheaper store brands is definitely lower than name brands like Premo, Sculpey, and Fimo. Not saying they aren't usable, but you definitely get what you pay for. If you are new to polymer clay, one of the biggest benefits to purchasing it in a store is the ability to see the color in person. Sometimes the photos online don't match up with the actual color of the clay. I also like to give the clay a little squeeze to make sure it's still good. Some colors of polymer clay will harden over time, even if they haven't been opened. Beige seems to be the color with the biggest issues for me, but this block of purple is still really soft, and judging by the old packaging design, this block has been in my clay stash for years. Always be sure to compare prices of polymer clay. Hobby Lobby has their selection 40% off every other week, and some stores will have a coupon for a certain percentage off any one item. These are great for multi-packs of clay. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, make sure to ring that notification bell. If you want to learn more about polymer clay, be sure to check out my bite-sized tutorial playlist, or you can check out one of my original creations up here. If you have any questions about polymer clay, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and remember, never stop creating. Bye.